Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P0571 indicates a malfunction in the brake pedal position switch circuit in the Honda Odyssey, specifically manufactured between 2011 and 2017. This error code often arises when there is an issue with the brake pedal position switch, a critical component responsible for signaling the brake status to the vehicle's systems. The brake pedal position switch is located near the brake pedal assembly, and it ensures that the vehicle's brake lights illuminate when the brake is engaged and turns off when released. An incorrect brake pedal position can lead to safety hazards, as other systems like cruise control may be affected when this switch malfunctions. It is essential to address this error promptly to ensure the vehicle operates safely and as intended. Review all associated freeze data and diagnostic snapshots before beginning any troubleshooting steps for this issue. The primary component in the DTC P0571 error is the brake pedal position switch. This switch plays a fundamental role in operating the brake lights and regulating the interaction between the brake system and other vehicle systems, like cruise control and anti-lock braking systems, ABS. Located near the brake pedal assembly, this switch is engaged when the pedal is pressed. If the brake pedal is not correctly sensed due to a malfunction in the switch, it may lead to issues like the vehicle's brake lights remaining on or not activating at all. Additionally, any faults in the switch can inadvertently disrupt the vehicle's cruise control functionality, inducing safety concerns while driving. Maintaining the proper function of this switch is therefore critical for reliable vehicle performance. Several possible causes can lead to the DTC P0571, each contributing to the malfunction of the brake pedal position switch. One of the most common issues is a faulty brake pedal position switch itself, which may fail to provide correct signals to the vehicle's electrical systems. Additionally, blown fuses can disrupt the electrical flow needed for the switch's operation and can lead to the circuit malfunctioning as well. Another significant factor may include an open circuit in the wiring between the brake pedal position switch and the associated fuses. These wiring issues could prevent the correct transmission of signals, thus triggering this error code. Each potential cause must be thoroughly examined to ensure proper corrective actions are taken. When facing the DTC P0571, several symptoms may manifest, marking the user's experience with the vehicle. First and foremost, one can often observe brake light malfunctions. This may involve the brake lights staying on continuously even when the pedal is not engaged, or failing to illuminate when the brake is pressed. Additionally, there may be noticeable issues with the cruise control system, which can either become inoperative or behave erratically due to the malfunction in the brake system signaling. Drivers may also become aware of warning lights appearing on the dashboard, indicating potential system failures or malfunctions. Recognizing these symptoms early can prompt timely intervention and repair, ensuring the vehicle remains safe and operable. The first troubleshooting step for addressing the DTC P0571 involves checking the brake lights without engaging the brake pedal. In this initial step, it is vital to ascertain if the brake lights are unintentionally staying on. By not pressing the brake pedal and observing the brake light behavior, a technician can determine if there is a malfunctioning switch or an electrical issue that needs addressing. If the brake lights remain on when the pedal is not pressed, this points toward an error within the brake pedal position switch or related wiring. Should the brake lights turn off as expected, the diagnostic process will continue to the next troubleshooting step. In this second troubleshooting step, the technician will check the brake lights while actively pressing the brake pedal. The objective is to confirm that the brake lights illuminate when the pedal is engaged, indicating that the switch is operational. This check will either verify the switch's function or suggest further electrical issues. A successful test where the lights come on indicates that the switch is functioning as intended, while a failure to illuminate suggests deeper issues that need further investigation. Depending on the outcome of this observation, the technician will proceed to the next appropriate troubleshooting step. Step 3 focuses on directly testing the brake pedal position switch. This switch is critical in determining whether the brake lights function correctly and is integral to vehicle systems that rely on accurate brake status information. A functional testing process will involve using a multimeter to assess the switch's continuity and operational integrity. If the test confirms that the switch is operating as per specifications, the troubleshooting process will continue. However, if the switch shows signs of failing or is completely non-functional, a replacement will be necessary to resolve the DTC P0571. This diagnosis, based on empirical testing, ensures that corrective actions are based on reliable data. In this step, the technician will check the number A25 stop horn hazard 30A fuse and the number A9 stop horn 20A fuse located within the main underhood fuse box. These fuses are pivotal components in protecting the circuit, and if they fail, it disrupts the operation of the brake pedal position switch. The technician will inspect each fuse visually for any signs of damage or blown filaments. If both fuses are intact, the troubleshooting process continues. However, a blown fuse indicates a short circuit or another electric fault requiring repair. By ensuring that these critical fuses are in good working order, further disturbances in the circuit linked to the brake pedal position switch can be mitigated. Step 5 involves measuring the voltage between the terminals of the brake pedal position switch 4P connector, specifically terminals number 2 and body ground. This measurement is essential in establishing whether the switch is receiving proper battery voltage, which is crucial for its operational functionality. If battery voltage is present, it suggests that the switch is adequately powered, and issues elsewhere in the circuit may need to be examined. Conversely, if voltage is absent, it indicates an open circuit within the wiring between the number A9 stop horn 20 amp fuse and the brake pedal position switch, which requires diagnosis and repair. The presence or absence of voltage directly influences the next steps in the troubleshooting process. The final repair verification step is crucial in ensuring that all issues associated with the DTC P0571 have been addressed comprehensively. Following the appropriate repairs and replacements, including the brake pedal position switch and any involved fuses or wiring, a thorough functionality check must be conducted. This involves testing the brake light's operation, as well as ensuring proper engagement of the cruise control systems. Additionally, performing a test drive allows for observation of real-world vehicle function, confirming that symptoms have been resolved. This holistic approach ensures that both safety and performance have been restored, leaving no area unaddressed in the overall diagnostic and repair process. To prevent future occurrences of DTC P0571 and maintain the reliability of the brake system, regular preventive maintenance is essential. Routine inspections of the brake pedal position switch and associated wiring can help identify signs of wear or impending failure long before they lead to operational issues. Furthermore, ensuring that all electrical connections are secure and free from corrosion is vital, as these connections directly influence the functionality of the switch. Regular attention to the relevant fuses can also preempt potential failures, ensuring that the circuit remains undisturbed throughout its operational lifespan. By establishing a proactive maintenance schedule, the risk of future malfunctions can be significantly diminished, leading to safer driving experiences. In conclusion, the DTC P0571 reflects a significant malfunction within the brake pedal position switch circuit in the Honda Odyssey from 2011 to 2017. Understanding the critical role of the brake pedal position switch not only aids in addressing current issues, but also emphasizes the importance of proper vehicle function for safety and performance. By adhering to a systematic troubleshooting approach, one can efficiently diagnose and rectify issues associated with this error code. Taking timely actions based on clearly delineated steps supports vehicle integrity and ensures a dependable driving experience. Implementing preventive maintenance practices will further enhance long-term reliability, ultimately fostering a safer and more enjoyable driving environment. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.